Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go. Greetings, greetings. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh my gosh, I have some happy mail that I have to dig in before I start my day. I want to thank the diva who sent it to me, Elizabeth Hawker. I think that's how you pronounce your last name, but I don't want to screw it up. I apologize if I did. It is January, the first week, yet I have happy mail. It is Christmas themed, and it is in a bag with this beautiful, beautiful soft ribbon. Fabric yarn. Look at that. I think it's Chanel. It's pretty. I love the colors. It's really pretty. We're putting that off to the side. We can save this bag. Gonna put that off to the side as well. This is another bag. Let's see what's in it. A Diva Delight. And it's from Elizabeth, like I said, and it's for me. Wow, Candy Lane. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's so three-dimensional. Look at all the layers. Am I in frame? Wow. Oh, this is some blue. Oh, okay. Stamp. This is so neat. This is so neat. Little girl. So neat. Look at the three-dimensional wreath with the tinsel. That's so cute. Writing space. Love, love, love. Thank you, Elizabeth. Put you over here. Right there. Ooh. Ooh, you know I saw. Ooh, we have some paper. It's pattern paper. I gotta make sure to fold this up nice and neat. Oh, look at here. Oh, wow, it's a pocket. It's a, okay, I think I had it upside down. Okay, so we have, it's like a mini folio, but then it looks like an ephemera holder. My. I think it is an ephemera holder. Please correct me if I'm wrong, Elizabeth, in the comments. Oh, man. Look. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let's take it out and see what we got going on here. Look at there. Oh, some vintage pieces. This is cute. Oh, she's adorable. Look at the little birdie. Look at her finger waves. Oh, I always love seeing little girls with birds either on their shoulders or holding them. I have a drawing with one on her shoulder. It's so cute. Thank you. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Man, this is nice. Oh, a bingo card. Oh, I love these guys. I love the index. Look at all that. That looks like an image of a girl in the background. I could be wrong, but that's what I see. Look at this bingo card. You know I love bingo. This is so cute. So cute. It's the pieces that you don't want to use, right? Look at that. I can see all of that. All this collage work. She's adorable. She is adorable with her tree. Oh, got bent. She's adorable. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, that's the first pocket. And you know what's so funny is that I am getting ready to work on an ephemera holder. Oh, this is probably why I went into the back, because it couldn't go all the way in. I'm getting ready to work on an ephemera holder because what I have going on is a hot mess. You do not want to see the before. Stay tuned for the after. Let's dive into the second pocket. And we are in the inside. The Carlton first medium priced hotel. So cute. Love it. Ooh, we have us another ticket. I love tickets. Oh, this is something goody. Some goodies inside here. We'll get to you. Put you over here. Ooh, a guest check. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, another deer. And look at him. He's all fancy. Oh, this is a book. Oh no. It is a index holder some type. Let's put that off to the side for a second. We have a oversized tag. Oh, some Christmas. Okay. We gotta slow down. Okay, this is a bundle. Okay, what is this? Some more deers. Oh, and a polar bear. How fun. How fun. Okay, so this has a binding. This has a paper clip. This is an index folder holder, I think. Oh, wow. Oh, some papers. Look like handmade, hand-dyed papers. But it has a texture to it. So I don't know what type of paper this is. But I love the feel and the colors are beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Let's put this in. That's really cute. And there's this one. Okay, try it again. Okay, these look, I'm getting the feel of some fussy cuts. Little doodads. Ooh. You guys know I love a good fussy cut action. Either barbed wire or bees. We have some more stamps. Ooh. Oh man. This is giving me a kick in my butt, Elizabeth. I have stamps and I haven't used them in any projects lately. We have some tabs. Uh-oh, I dropped one. Elizabeth. These are so cute. I've never received a ephemera holder like this. This is loaded. Those are so cute. Okay, so maybe these are die cut. I don't know. But either way it goes, I am appreciative. I am appreciative. Man, this makes me want to go make a journal. Oh my goodness. Look at here. Very, very nice. Very nice. Oh man, thank you kindly. Thank you so much. Okay. Put you back. And let's untie this bow. And this, did I make a knot? Let's see if I can get out of this. This is pretty. I love this color. I don't know, guys. Did I just make it worse than what it was? Oh no. There we go. There we go. We're making some leeway here. Ta-da! Nothing happened. Nothing. We have some more. Oh, some words. Now, these look like just some labels. Huh. Gosh, you make me want to just go make a journal. Man, oh, look at this. We have a music sheet. And Better Business. Some vintage paper, I'm assuming. And that's so funny. I just came across some cards. Look, why I gotta always come back to me. I just came across a deck of cards. No, like seriously. I just came across a deck of cards that I have. Hold on, let me show you. I literally was cleaning up maybe 2 days ago and came across these cards that I had. I found them in a thrift store, I'm sure. But it is, it says, here's one, finding the right financial planner. Like, so yeah, it's like all business type of information on these little bitty cards. I thought they were so cute. From the money book, everyone's money book. And then he has these little cards. So yeah, I promise you, I was not trying to make this about me. Okay. You came here with your tie that I'm going to take and put it over there. Let's close you up. And in the back, we have another pocket. Oh, this is so cute. Is it a sticker? No. It's so cute. You shall be called Mickey the Mouse. Ooh, you are so cute. So cute. And this is another pocket. It's a window pocket. All the girls are inside. Let's see if they can come out. Can you come out? Oh, they can. Awesome. That's a double pocket. Oh, you go ahead on with your bad self, Elizabeth. You just, oh my goodness. What do I have so that I can show me use this? These fancy cards. So we have like a CD pocket, and then there's a pocket in the back. Then they have the pocket with the window. That is so cute. Is there any other pockets here, Elizabeth? Let me just check. Just make sure. That's so neat. I love this 3-dimensional piece. No, it's not. Oh, but it looks like it. Oh, dude. You just fooled me. That is so cute. Great job. Great job. Very nice. All right, let's put her back in. Put them back in. Here you go, ladies. All right, Mickey. Watch out for the ladies. And in he goes. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for my goodies and thinking about me over the holidays. I am appreciative. I really am. Very nice. Very nice. Love you lots. Thank you. And you guys go be great and create. Pass that goodness on to someone.